Hello everyone. Today I am teaching you the nail art hacks. Number 1, want to turn your nail polish matte? One of the simple method of is to mix equal parts of the colored nail polish and corn flour in a small container, and there you go. That's all. Number 1. Number 2, easy cleanup with petroleum jelly. Just rub a bit of Vaseline or petroleum jelly into your messy fingers and wipe off the excess nail polish with a cotton ball. Number 3, remove glittery nail polish in seconds. Paint your nail with any clear, non-toxic and washable glue as a base coat. Paint your glitter nail polish over it and peel it off when you want to get rid of. Number 4, for a professional finish on your nails, dip a lip brush in a bottle of nail polish remover and draw a clean line along the edges of your nails. Number 5, for drying nail paint quickly. Quick dry your nail paint by submerging your nails in ice cold water for 3 minutes. Voila. Number 6, get the super easy marble effect. All you need is a spoon and two differently colored nail paints. For this nail art, take a spoon and pour drop of two differently colored nail polishes on to it and swirl it with a toothpick or bobby pin. Now roll your nail over the edge of the spoon and voila, it's done. Next, make your own glitter nail polish. Apply a clear coat of polish onto the nails and dip them one by one in a pot of your leftover loose glitter, eyeshadow or craft glitter. Wipe off excess. The end result, gorgeousness multiplied by 10. Number next, for smooth nail paint, apply some white vinegar on your nails to make your nail polish go smoother and last longer. Hopefully you like my today's video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.